What makes shopping at Grover different? Service and know-how. When you grab a number, you're moments away from being the #1 priority. No searching the aisles looking for someone to help. You are that Grover expert's only focus.
Biggest thing, as long as we get all the information in the here's what you do section, we can completely design your system because we have all the proper information in order to do the math, in order to implement your system into place. We will ask you a lot of questions to make sure that we're actually properly designing your system to make sure it meets your needs. So for our larger yards or anything that is going to have a decent radius or a large diameter for the sprinkler head to shoot, we are generally going to use what's called a gear drive type sprinkler. If we have a smaller yard, which is just going to be anywhere from 4 feet to 17 to 24 feet, then we're going to normally use what is called a pop-up head. And the pop-up head is honestly just a blank body that we are in turn going to add all of our different types of heads to, once again, depending on the criteria that we need to meet. We always like to ask you, the customer, exactly what your needs and requirements are and what you want your system to look like in the first place, so we can custom tailor it to what your design needs are. If we have dirty water sources or coming off of pumping systems that are pulling out of creeks or cisterns that may have a little bit of silt, we would lead you in the direction of a different type of head, either called an impact head or what we refer to as a bird in a can, which actually has an impact sprinkler built into a unit that will go and shrink down below your grade so you don't have a tripping hazard sitting above if it's for lawns and places for the kids and dogs to play.
Unmatched one-on-one personal attention. It's why you'll be joining all the do-it-yourselfers who are asking themselves, why didn't I go to Grover first?